Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X3 Neo. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap more, agree, next, not now, and now let's try it out. Hey Google, now you are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.